All right, 2009 Pontiac Torrent 3.6 VVT. We have a no crank, no start condition. Let me get you closer. Let's go out. No crank. All right. See, let's hope this can show you. All right, ignition is on. Now, I already diagnosed this vehicle, and I just want to walk you through what I had to do to get it diagnosed. This is the starter, so the starter relay. So I pick it up and I give it a crank. Oh, of course, the battery is dead. Let me get the battery charged. I hope we don't get bored. All right. So with the Power Pro starter, crank, but it don't start. Now checking the fuses. This fuse, 7 volts. That tells me immediately, that tells me that we are missing the ground somewhere. So we get my diagram. At this point, I read the codes. There's no communication with the computer. So I pulled the computer out and I took the cover off the plugs to see if we have power and ground. Of course, we're missing one ground, although all 3 grounds are coming from the same, from G109, from a ground point G109. This is the pink and black. This is the ignition power. Also, I'm getting 7 volt on it. So anyway, while I'm diagnosing, I'm touching the computer like this. You see that? I hope you saw that. See? You feel that the throttle body moving. So the body to the computer is the ground, the missing ground. So now I just touched it to the chassis right here to get ground, and watch this. Not enough to carry ground, so I'm going to give it a external ground. Just a ground wire from the battery to the body of the ECM. truck starts. So if you get less than battery voltage on the fuses, these fuses are powered by a relay, which is the powertrain. This one. This is the powertrain relay. So these fuses are powered by this. The input is this one, fuse 33, supplies power to the relay, and when the relay is controlled by the computer, it supplies power to these fuses right here, which include the throttle body. So when these present less than battery voltage on the output of the relay, the input is 12 volt or battery voltage, the output is less than 12 volt. So we have to suspect either the relay itself is shorted, which is, I tested it with my relay buddy, it wasn't bad. And then the other reason is the ground is missing somewhere. Well, I hope this helped somebody. Thank you.